How to replace an above-ground pool liner. Turn off the power at the breaker. Unscrew the return jet and remove from the pool wall. Unscrew the skimmer faceplate. Detach the skimmer assembly from the pool wall. Remove the pool ladder and accessories from inside the pool. Remove all the top caps. Unscrew all the top rail screws and remove the rails from the pool wall. Remove all top plate screws and detach plates from all uprights. Detach all the top stabilizer rims and/or coping from the pool wall. The liner is now ready to be removed. Cut the liner into several pieces for easier removal. Secure the uprights to the pool wall with tape or clamps to keep the wall from caving in. At this time, you can make repairs to the pool wall if necessary. For more information on pool wall repair, check out our guide on how to repair rusty pool walls. After necessary repairs have been made, apply wall foam if desired. Rework the pool floor to remove surface imperfections and to give a fresh finish to the floor. Rework the bottom pool cove or install a foam cove for a quick and easy installation. Install liner guard floor padding if desired. Put the new replacement liner on the pool floor and unfold. Stretch the liner out around the whole circumference of the pool. For J-hook style liners like the one in this video, pick up the vertical section of the liner and place the J-hook over the liner wall. Reinstall a top stabilizer rim over the newly placed liner. Do this around the entire circumference of the pool. Start adding water to the pool while someone works the wrinkles out from the center of the floor towards the walls. Plumb the vertical uprights with a level and reinstall the top plates. Reinstall the top rails and top caps. When the pool water levels between halfway and 3/4 full, it's time to reinstall the skimmer. Line up the skimmer faceplate with the existing screw holes and press a couple of screws through the liner to keep the plate in place. On the outside of the pool wall, line up the skimmer assembly with the screws and fasten the plate to the assembly. Continue to reinstall all skimmer faceplate screws. Cut out the liner on the inside of the skimmer faceplate to open up the hole that leads into the assembly. Place the return jet fitting over the existing return hole and press against the liner. On the outside of the wall, cut an X shape into the liner to allow the return jet to come through the hole. Trim the excess liner away and retighten the return jet fitting. You have successfully replaced your above ground pool liner. If you have any additional questions, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com for all your swimming pool and spa needs. Thank you.